Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway Classics, and we are in a 61 maroon Rambler. This thing is just beautiful. Beautiful white interior, everything nice and clean. But yep, I'm here to give you a little ride, tell you how she flows. Very smooth transmission, handling's tight. Oh yeah, she goes. She definitely runs. Brakes, very nice. Brakes straight. Wow. You let this car warm up and she just rides like she just rides, man. Definitely a rider here at Skyway. Pulls out cold AC. We have radio. I know how to work it. Gauges work. But yeah, come check out the 61 Rambler here at Skyway Classics. I'd love to see you here. Getting looks everywhere.